And welcome to another episode of Creative Cooking on a Shoestring. Today I'm going to attempt to make a vegetarian meatloaf. The main ingredient is the red lentil jambalaya mix from Full Cart. You will want to cook that to package directions. I've already done that. And you'll want to drain off any excess liquid and reserve 1 cup for later use. We're also going to use 1 can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas that I've drained, and I have saved the liquid. 1 cup of cornmeal, 1 cup of rolled oats, black pepper, salt, Greek seasoning, and olive oil. The first thing we're going to do is take our cooked jambalaya mix, put it into the food processor, along with our can of chickpeas. And we're going to pulse this until it is smooth. We'll also add some of the chickpea liquid to help it blend. We'll just add a little bit at a time. This looks pretty good. Still thick and creamy. Now we're going to grind the oats into a coarse flour. See that it's just a coarse grind. Some of them are still whole, but the majority of them are broken up. That's what we want. Transfer the bean mixture to a mixing bowl, and to that I'm going to add that 1 cup of jambalaya mix that I had saved. I'm also going to add like 2 tablespoons of the Greek seasoning mix. Half a teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to give this a stir. I'm going to add our oatmeal. Add two tablespoons of olive oil. Add a couple tablespoons of the cornmeal. I don't know if I'm going to use the whole cup, but I do want this kind of a little on the drier side. A little bit more. I think that's going to be plenty. The loaf mixture's all mixed up. I'm now going to put it in a loaf pan that I sprayed with a non-stick cooking spray. I have my oven preheated to 350 degrees. And we're going to bake this somewhere between 1 hour and 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, this is the veggie loaf. I just took it out of the oven and turned it out onto a wire rack to cool. I actually cooked this about 1 hour and 45 minutes because it felt a little soft, and I want a more firmer texture. So once this cools, doesn't that look good? Once this cools, I will slice it up and give it a taste.